lesson where we look at the trigraph, the three-letter sound. Trigraph being three letters making one sound, which is the air sound. Air, 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 air. Okay, so A-I-R makes the air sound in words. And the first word we have is air. Okay, so the trigraph air can be a word by itself. Air. Yeah, three letters, one sound. Air. Air. So the trigraph can be a sound and it can be a word. I am breathing in air. Air. Okay, yeah, simple enough. Sound can be a word. Okay, next one is stairs. Stairs. Air. Stairs. We've got two adjacent consonants here to make the st sound. Stairs. 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 I am walking up the stairs or down the stairs. 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 Super. Okay, so that has how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters and 4 sounds. Stairs. 4 sounds for stairs. Okay, next one is armchair. 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 Air. Armchair. 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 I am sitting on my armchair. 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 It's a big word, so you can split it up into two sections. You could have and then chair, chair, and you put them together. Armchair. Okay, so let's count the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters. How many sounds? Armchair. 4 sounds. We've got the air, a trigraph here, we've got a ch digraph, and we've got the r 2-letter sound here. Okay, so let's go through them all again together. Say it with me at home, like always, to practice. Air, air. Okay, trigraph air, and now the word air, air, air. Okay, now stairs, 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 and armchair, armchair, armchair. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.